To start with learning to draw anything, you need a good reference. Pictures are the best reference, and if you want to share, I recommend getting them from a stock picture site. I recommend Pexels since it's free, and I even uploaded some of my own pictures there. Oh, and it's not really important for this, but if you want to use the same brushes, I left them in the description. I'm gonna start off with the hibiscus, since it's a relatively easy flower to start off with. A good first practice is to roughly trace over one of them to see the shape of the flower, the shapes the flower exists of, though this is a lot easier to see with flowers than other things. So hibiscus flowers exist of 5 teardrop shapes, each one overlapping the next. Let's start with a simple drawing next to the picture. Start off by drawing a dot as an anchor point. Then on a new layer, draw one petal and duplicate it. Transform the petal and move the anchor point to the dot and rotate it till it only overlaps a little bit. Repeat this for all 5 petals, and if you do the petal too small like I did, just undo it and edit the first petal and do the duplicating again. Now erase one side of each petal that overlaps. And lastly, to complete it, add a short line in the middle with 5 dots at the end, each individually connected to the first one. Now to practice, grab a picture and draw a copy of it next to it. You can of course make it as realistic as you want or try to adapt it in your own style. For time's sake, I'm gonna skip the previous first step and just explain what the lily exists out of. So a lily exists out of 6 long, skinny teardrops that end with both sides ending in a pointed shape. Like this. Do the same thing as with the hibiscus, but this time do only 3 in a triangle shape and then duplicate those 3 and offset it like so and erase where they overlap with the previous 3. It doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical, nature isn't either. Now add 6 oval-like shapes and connect them to the middle with lines. And in the middle, add a triangle made out of dots. Now draw a copy next to the image again. I used 2 triangles as a guide, and I'm sorry, I realized only what it looked like when I added the second triangle. I plan to also add water lilies in here, but got kind of cramped for time, so just enjoy the speed paint of a fairy in a water lily. And thanks for watching.